Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to play Clash Royale or Royale. Okay. So this is my clan. It's not mine. It's called Bloodbath. And that's the sign. Okay. Hello. Okay, he's still online. Because here over friendly battle here, you see it says online 2 people. It's me and the other guy. Okay, now we're going to battle, and then we're going to see my team. Can just tell him good luck. Oh, he's level 4. Okay, he has mini P.E.K.K.A level 3. Oh no, this is bad. Let's put this here. For tonight. No, already? He's strong. Okay, let's put archers here. What the heck is that? Oh, no. Okay. Now we're going to wait for some elixir. Okay, now we're going to put a giant here. And mini P.E.K.K.A here. Fight off the musketeer. And then put the musketeer here. Oh no. This is bad. Okay. What? How? No. He won. How? Well, at least I got 1 crown. But I lost trophies. That's okay. Yeah, yep. It's true. Okay, now, I'm going to tell him if he wants to battle with me. I'm from Paris. I can't tell you. Okay, I accepted his battle. Oh no. Yeah, he's still here. Oh, he's good. Looks like it. He's good because he's like, I think level 4, level 4 or level 5. Okay, let's put archers here. Okay, next is the giant. So then now we're going. Should we put the mini? Actually, we're going to put here. Here. Okay, then I have to do this here. Okay. Now since that's happening, we're going to put a giant here. And then just wait for 2 more elixir. Oh my gosh. He's very good. He's better than me. Well, this is a friendly battle. I hope. Oh no. Fireball. Come on, shoot it. Okay. Oh, this is bad. Okay, nice. He's not answering. Okay. I have to put giant here. Musketeer. Defend and king. Okay. Attack this. Okay, mini P.E.K.K.A for the win. Goblin Hut. He's going to win. Okay. This is bad. Oh. Fireball! Yes! Okay, now it's tied. Thanks. Okay, sudden death. Here, giant. Hut. Fireball. Hope I win. Well, he's very good. Okay, I think I should go to giant here. Oh no, he won! Good game. Do I lose trophies? Okay. Not bad. I'm actually shooting a video and he doesn't know. I'm shooting a YouTube video. I think he's going to freak out. I'm not actually from United Kingdom, but I know English. Yeah. You here? Okay guys, I'm sorry I have to end the video here. Wait, not now. It's okay. My channel's name is Amir Graffiti. Go to it. Okay guys, I have to end the video here. I'll see you later.